Shoppers interested in the all-new Ford Focus know it is environmentally and economically friendly, as well as being one of the most attractive vehicles in its class. And Levittown Ford has the selection of new and pre-owned Ford vehicles you've been looking for. Visit us online at www.levittownford.com. While you're there, receive finance rates as low as 0%, 1.9%, or 2.9% upon approved credit. Get information about our VIP program. Like us on Facebook to find out about our specials before anyone else. And read more about the Levittown Ford dealership experience to see why we're the right dealership for you. Levittown Ford is located at 3195 Hempstead Turnpike in Levittown, New York.